All right, we are back. Let's see. All right, moment of truth. I did my basic training. I did my squad lead training. I did commander training. I did all my trainings. I think it's pretty silly how we keep having these trainings that we have to do. I'm going to join a helicopter crew real quick just to check it out. See what level 3 for that role. Okay. I just want to see what it's like to be in a helicopter. But yeah, I think it's pretty silly how we have so many trainings that we have to run through. But hey, you know what? It's a new game. Things change as we go. And let me see if this guy has a mic. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, first time being a helicopter crew.
Hell yeah.
But yeah,
Where you at?
I am
Spot.
at
Go.
top HQ right now, making my way to you. Yeah, so tell me a little bit about this role, if you've played it before.
So, I played, basically they can both either do, like, pilot or co-pilot, but I have, comms and stuff, like, in chat as the main
Oh,
officer.
not
And
in
it's
yet.
called,
I'm not in yet, sorry.
can't remember the fucking name.
Okay. I didn't actually make it in your helicopter, it looks like. But it's okay, I made it into another one.
That wasn't me, I'm coming over.
Oh, copy. I see you.
I get in and you need a ride.
I'm waiting for my pilot, guys.
There he is.
Alright, I'm in.
Alright, so, go ahead and hop into code.
Okay, I'm in
We
co-pilot.
should have a flare, yep.
Okay. Yep,
Yes,
there
sir.
it is.
That's gonna have a little cooldown. It's gonna reveal everyone.
Okay,
So,
nice.
just let me know when you got that back. Shit.
Copy.
Yeah, it always shoots forward, so next time you get it back, just let me know and I'll fish you towards the point.
Okay. Looks like we're a helicopter pilot, and yeah, this is pretty official, man. This is pretty official.
But I'm gonna see if I can pick up any blueberries.
So essentially, we pick up blueberries and drop them on the enemy points.
Yep, or they can shoot from the guns on our
Copy.
sides. Like these fellas down here. Let's see if I can recruit them. Oi, mate. You want to ride?
This is pretty incredible, though. Holy cow! Look at the helicopter, man. He's really good at driving this thing, man.
Yeah.
Flying this thing, I should say. So there's only
Oh,
3
shit.
of us in. Wow, that was a close call. Close call there. Holy cow.
I saw that boy come in hot.
Co-piloting seems a little like it could get a little old quick. You just sit here, all you do is just flare control.
Guy down there, sure he's by that tent.
Yeah, but
Down there.
if he ever loses, if the pilot ever leaves, I think I can take over in controls. I don't know how wise that would be, just because I've never flown a helicopter. That's the one tutorial I haven't done, is a helicopter pilot. Maybe I mentioned at the beginning that I did. I lied if I did say that, because I definitely haven't. Do some of these helicopters have the minigun, or are they all these MGs?
They're all shit. They're all gonna be the MGs. It's just one has a supply
Copy. That flare gun's 50%.
Hell yeah. Oh shit. Move, chopper. Holy shit.
Wow. To be completely honest, I probably won't last long here on this heli squad just because I need a little bit of action in my life, you know? I need a little bit of
God
get-go.
damn.
Taking fire from the right.
Yo, hop in real quick for losing the point. Hop in.
Hop in, boys. Hop in, boys. We're losing the point. Get in the chopper. Get in the chopper.
Oh no, I'm going to crush.
Oh, I'm taking fire. Oh,
Gotta go.
get us out of here, sir. I'm bleeding out currently.
You bleeding?
Yep.
Alright, I'll land real quick.
Okay.
Emergency landing. No.
Yeah, your proximity chat's pretty robotic, but your squad chat is normal.
Yeah, it does that sometimes.
Okay, bandaging up. And I'm
Take
back.
us back to HQ.
Hello, hello.
I'm gonna heal up. If you guys don't go point, I can take us back in the other chopper.
Co-pilot back in. Hop in, boys. Hop in, boys. Alright, there we are right there on the map with Smokey. Looks like we're going back to HQ for a little repair, maybe. Dropping some guys off, maybe. Unknown, really. Definitely taking some fire. We're a bigger target. We're up in the sky. Can they shoot us down like if they headshot one of us driving? Can the whole heli go down, or is that not?
Yes, but our windows are very bulletproof. They have to shoot them out first.
Copy.
It takes a lot.
That's good to know. That's good to know. Look at this guy, man. Look at this guy. He is really good at flying this thing.
Oh shit.
Ooh, maybe not. Oh man, I'm sure this thing takes some practice.
Oh, fucking lagging, boys. Holy shit.
Nice landing.
That was a little sloppy. I was lagging there a bit.
How hard is it to fly this thing?
Don't mind landing there. Had a little bit of a lag spike. It's not. You definitely feel the weight, like trajectory. Like if you're going up or down. Like if
Yeah.
I bank hard right and start plummeting, it takes a lot to go back up and gain altitude.
That's good to know.
It's like steering a boat, but in the air.
Wow, this can be a spawn point too then.
Oh yeah. As
That's
long as
cool.
you turn it off, just like the bow.
I'm gonna go gunner left since that flare's filled up.
You get that flare yet?
Yep,
No.
it's there.
Anger. Alright.
I'm in co-pilot seat. Let me know when you want it launched.
Do it now.
Flares out.
Great flare.
Going gunner right or left.
Yeah, guys are fine. Guys are for that helicopter. You just give her a teammate.
No sights.
Hoping buddy on the right does.
Wow, this is incredible. Holy cow, I can't believe the Hell Let Loose game added a chopper. Personally, I love this game because it takes strategy, it takes teamwork, and it takes a lot of communication to get this done. And it's not just a run and gun shoot like any other Battlefield game or Call of Duty game. Personally, I very much dislike those games just because it's all about personal gain. This one you have to work as a team to get to the points, to claim them, to get your kills, get your captures, get your Gary builds. Like the way the points work is by how much team effort you give into the overall team. It's not really how much you gain personally. Ooh, that was a close one. Right there, I'm just suppressing fire. There's nothing. I don't have sights on anything or anything like that. It's just really just to hopefully deteriorate them a
Got
little bit
some in
to
the middle
get them going.
Middle. Yeah, me too.
They got me.
Oh,
They
that's a
clipped me.
fucking tank.
I'm currently bleeding out, but I'm gonna go ahead and hold on tight. Maybe we'll land here soon, but I don't want to be the cause that we land fully. Currently bleeding out, just FYI. Just kidding. I'm gonna totally say something because I don't want him to like have to make a special landing. Might as well make a special landing right now than later on, right? Let's go back into co-pilot. Flare's at 75%. I'm gonna go ahead and re-heal real quick.
Go ahead and figure it out.
Okay, I'm back in. This is pretty cool. Like this takes strategy. This takes skill, right? It's not just like, hey, let's run and gun. Let's get it. Flare's fully reloaded. Oh, negative. Scratch that. I'm sorry.
Copy.
80%.
Copy that. Let me know when it's loaded.
Heard.
Command's been asking for him.
Copy. Do I need to stay in the co-pilot to get that reload going?
Nah.
Okay, going back to gunner. Oh, that's a friendly boat I was just shooting at. Oops. Oh, enemies here. Forest here. I saw a little bit of movement. Unknown location, but hey, let's light it up. Ooh, hopefully you can hear me over this gun, boys. Ah! Wow, they clipped me out of the helicopter. Wow, I cannot believe they made that shot.
That's why I tried not to hold still, but I was trying to get some weight.
No, it's all good. That's crazy.
Oh yeah, I've been domed out the helicopter multiple times.
That's an incredible shot. Look at all those planes making their way over the map. Keep doing your thing. I gotta use the restroom real quick.
Copy.
Alright, I'm back. Did he leave? Oh man. Are you there?
Oh yeah, sorry, I was in.
Oh, no, you're good.
Fucking. I keep switching chats because my left rotation is my thing on controller. Change.
All good, all good. Let me know when you got a landing coming up and I'll spawn out of Gary close by. But don't make special arrangements for me. One thing I wish it did have is maybe spawning directly on the helicopter. But I don't know how realistic that would be. That being said, it is hell let loose, so it's one of those things where the game, like the purpose of this game, is to be as realistic in battle
Spawn
as
at this
possible.
Gary, sit on me. I could pick you up.
Copy. 20 seconds out. Ten seconds. Ultimately, at the end of the day, it's all about communication. It really is. Spawn.
I have eyes coming down.
Is there different types of helicopters, or is it just the passenger one?
It's just this one. The only differentiation is flare and whatchamacallit, and supplier.
Alright, man. Flare's fully loaded. Let me know when it's lighted up.
Copy.
Wow, look at this, man. We're up in the sky and hell let loose. Who would have thought? Who would have thought, huh? Not me.
Yeah, I'll let you know, man.
Copy.
You're gonna hold on to that.
Okay. Ooh, taking some damage on the hole there. Ooh. Wow, that's scary hearing the RPGs coming at us like that. Smokey over here, keeping it nice and steady, circling the point. What a great roll, holy cow. He's doing a great job. Oh, hey. I think that might have been that guy's second RPG there. It looks like there's an MG in the forest there taking some shots on us.
Yeah, whenever you want to shoot. If you want to shoot.
Come on, boys, hop in.
Oh, we gotta go.
Yeah, that's a hard hit.
That's hard to tank.
Looks like we're gonna make our way back to HQ here to get some reps in. That was a pretty hard hit there. Ooh. You know what? The one thing I haven't tried is the enemy tank. Sorry for the constant change up on classes here. Normally with Hell Let Loose, the original game, my bread and butter was the tank crew. I loved driving. Driving was one of my best skill sets, and shooting, obviously. I love shooting. I love shooting run and gun style where the driver is constantly driving and the Spotter is constantly spotting, and I would be constantly shooting. That was one of my biggest upsides of that game. I love running gun, whether it's a medium, light, or heavy tank. Makes us to be a hard. It makes it so that you're a hard target to hit, but if you're good enough to shoot, you can time the shots well. So maybe on the next episode I'll go in and tank, but for now we're gonna stick to this heli. Maybe go some infantry. This is a great skill to learn here, being the co-pilot, just so you can see what the best way of attack is as a helicopter pilot. You don't want to just jump right into a role that you're unfamiliar with, because ultimately it comes down to the team. Like I said, this is a team effort game. What's that?
No. Good. I thought you left home way.
No.
Alright, sorry about that. I thought I got something behind.
Is this, what game mode is this? Do you know?
Shit.
I know,
It's,
there's so many now.
So many points. I have no idea what's going on half the time.
Yeah, same. That flare's fully loaded still.
Copy. Are you on the left side, Jar Jar?
Jar Jar Twinks is our gunner right now.
I can't tell if he's on left or right.
He is on left.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoops.
One shot. That's crazy. What was that, tank?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Where do you want us?
Is that a regular?
Top.
Hold on, wait. That's a homie.
Okay. Shoot.
Go.
I'm already spawned. Whoops. Do you want me to redeploy?
Nah. We'll see what he's doing.
Alright, let's see what this chopper is doing.
Oh, no,
Get in the
there's one up there.
chopper. Let's follow our chopper lead here. See what the plan of attack is. See what we're doing. Alright, so from my
Oh, we have
understanding...
tickets of life. Oh shit.
What is that?
Wait, is that tickets of life, like Battlefield?
Oh.
Or is that like point system for?
Personally, I don't think I want to fly one of these things until I run this tutorial, just to make sure I know exactly how to work this thing. Because I don't want to let a team down. But
let's see here.
from my understanding, we have
Berries? No shit.
2
Oh,
roles.
looks like you're gonna be the sacrifice.
You have 2 helicopter options, I should say. You have a gunship, and you have a supply drop. So you can drop supplies on
chunky.
point, or you can go in as a gunner ship, transporting blueberries back and forth from point to point and gunning down the points, or dropping supplies.
He's gonna be on the left.
Let's confirm with Smokey here. So with the supply chopper, you run supplies back and forth?
Yeah, but it's very obvious when you do it. So you kind of gotta have support or just be ready to defend that shit.
Okay. And this is
Kinda
more...
like a supply drop. This is like a ground, like a transport truck type of thing.
Okay, like a gunner ship, even.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a gunner on left. Flare is fully loaded.
Copy that. guy was over here. Go somewhere else then.
Tank fire coming from the right.
God damn.
Yeah, no doubt. Holy
I wanna
cow.
get eyes on this tank.
Right now we're on dots. I wonder if I should drop a flare here. Do you want me to light up this point? The flare?
Yeah, go ahead.
Golden gunner. Hey! Got my first kill on the chopper.
Good shit,
Nice.
brother. Hey, compliments from the commander on your flare.
Copy. Nice. Looks like all the enemy there is on the left side of the gunship right now. I like to play this game pretty realistic. I don't like to run and gun. I don't like to treat it as a selfish gain or it's just on me to win the game.
Keep your eyes open for a bow. We're gonna go check it out.
Copy.
Is that it right there?
Yeah, copy. That's it. Can I take it down with my MG?
There you go. Try to ping it.
Right on ping.
Alright, how much
Oh,
mark
sorry.
it for everyone?
There it is. That's accurate. Ooh, I got headshotted out of that freaking helicopter. That's crazy. I cannot believe that he headshotted me.
So where at? What?
I got headshotted out of the helicopter.
Damn.
Are you okay if I take the supply helicopter and just fly around real quick, or should I save that for practice?
Shit, you can fly this one for a little bit. I would say leave that supply though. Here, I'll come get
It's
you
okay.
this one.
It's okay. I'll wait for practice, man. I'll take that tutorial before flying. I don't want to mess
you
things
never-
up.
I would recommend doing not the tutorial. Well, yeah, the tutorial obviously, but the like the training, like the battle thing, whatever the fuck, it's shooting range.
Yeah, I'll wait for that. Just because we're in the heat of it, and I don't want to risk a chopper going down. Looks like he's coming down 12 o'clock for me there. Look at that perfect landing, man. Alright, I'm in. Nice. It looks like I leveled up. Level 10. As this game rolls out, I'm gonna keep going, trying different teams, different where they're going infantry, different levels, and I don't want to get stuck with some
Shit, man,
commanding
you know
and
what?
tank
Here,
and stuff.
you take over flying. We're about to lose anyways. It won't matter. Oh, we're getting shot by a tank.
Oh, come. Oh my gosh. gosh, this just feels like a lot of pressure. That's so funny. Our shadow is just
Oh.
us.
Oh yeah.
It's just like two dudes floating.
There, take her down right here for you. Okay,
Oh.
maybe not.
Nice, he's gonna let me fly this thing. Like I said, I don't like to jeopardize the whole team here for just a little bit of pleasure.
Alright, so controls are going to be on your screen on the right.
Come. Go and pilot. Whoa.
Oh, that tree was.
Oh my gosh, this is a lot
Take her
different
slow,
than I
take her slow.
thought! You sure about that? Jeez. Take her slow. Take her slow. Goes into the river.
Yeah.
I'll
Don't
do the-
shoot, dude.
I'll do the tutorial first. I don't mind. That's good.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna go
Fuck.
infantry for a little bit here for the last 50 seconds.
50 minutes, yeah.
Oh, 50 minutes. Holy shit. I'll keep it. I'll keep going here then.
Oh, shit.
That was funny. Let's make our way down. Follow Smokey. Yeah, I gotta run that tutorial, that training first.
Yeah, no, that tutorial.
As obnoxious as they are, you know, it makes sense for the heli.
Oh, for sure. It didn't really do fuck all for the tank driving, not gonna lie. I'm
Yeah,
still
no.
confused.
Drives me nuts that I have to do it for like squad lead or commander role. Coming like level 200 from hell let loose.
Let's see if there's any blueberries I can pick up.
Personally, I think it'd be really good and mandatory for the helicopter, but when it comes to the commander role or the squad lead, that's pretty straightforward, especially coming 200 plus in from Hell Let Loose, the original game. Here, not so much. It doesn't make sense a lot for me, but yeah, here we are. Doing tutorials to be able to do what we want to do. Let me know on that flare.
Copy. Looks like we're losing docks. Get ready. Oh shit.
Ooh, nice.
And let it rip.
What's up? Ooh. Going gunner right.
Wanna go anywhere specific, buddy? Oh shit, looks like we're going to hell.
To hell let loose. Hop back in, bud. Hop back in.
Yeah, it's repairing. Be all good. Everyone in.
Get in, brother. Oh, wow. Wow, we left right at the last second. Dak? Maybe a cough attack or something. Alright, he's in. He's in.
Oh, thank God.
Ooh.
That tree is fucking us.
Yeah, how much effect do the trees have on the helis?
It fucks you.
Okay.
Again, that tree, it almost flipped us.
It's so funny, dude. The shadow on the floor is just like 3 dudes inside a heli. There's no helicopter shadow, it's just 3 bodies.
Yeah. Yeah, he did. Holy shit. At the tank right there. Holy shit.
Ooh. Yep. There it is. There it is. Wow.
That's another one right there. We got a lot of
Yep,
tanks
2.
around us, so it's gonna be very erratic.
Enemy boat. We got an enemy boat right on ping.
Fuck that boat up, boys. Fuck that boat up.
On ping, there's another boat in that cove. Wow, it's really hard to hear yourself
Where?
in this helicopter. Stand by for ping. I saw him going into that cove right there on D7. Wow, they took me out. I'm gonna have to go infantry. Alright. Let's see here. Maybe we can spawn Oh, it looks like it's frozen on my end. No, it's good.
Oh, you died?
Yeah.
Oh shit, sorry mate, I couldn't hear you. It's too
No,
many
no,
fucking
it's
people
okay.
talking.
It's so loud in the
That's why
heli.
nobody was shooting. Where you at?
I'm gonna go. Do you want me to go C5 or D8?
It doesn't matter.
Alright, I'm going C5. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he at? Oh my gosh. There he is. Holy cow, look at this guy. Look at this guy! Perfect landing. Nice.
Fucking like that.
Yeah,
That shit was
dude, that's
slick.
perfect. Alright, flares up, flares up.
Oh, there it is.
That's it.
I was waiting for it. That motherfucker's been sitting over there forever.
Alright, man, I'm gonna have to call it a night. Good playing with you. Thanks for letting me join you.
Hell yeah, sir. GG's.
GG's. Alright, that was a good one. That was a good run. Seeing how the helicopter functions as a co-pilot, that is fun. Maybe as a driver, maybe as a gunner. Not something I'm super interested in. I really, really want to go after the tank, so join me on the next one. Again, this is Space Gato. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow for more. And always comment, see what kind of content you'd like to see. I love playing the Isle. It's a dinosaur survival game. Or this Hell Let Loose Vietnam or Hell Let Loose the original. Those are the major games I love playing. So let me know what kind of content you want to see, and I'll try to produce that for the machine. Again, Space Gato, logging off.